The Silver Cross Wave 3 is the Range Rover of strollers. It is ultra elegant and extremely versatile. It carries the most amount of capacity, 55 pounds per seat. You can clearly see I can put my bassinet up on top and have plenty of room down below for my toddler, still leaving my basket underneath with full 30-pound capacity in the basket. So overall, this stroller can carry the most amount of weight and give you the most versatility, starting off as a single stroller and working its way up to a double. The Wave 3 comes bassinet and both seats included in one complete bundle, so you don't have to worry in the future on expanding your stroller. You will have everything you need right from the beginning. If you have any questions about Silver Cross Wave 3, please comment below. How to fold your Silver Cross Wave 3. Pull the two triggers and remove the bassinet. Squeeze the handle to the lowest position. You do have a secondary release trigger that you must hold down, and pull both triggers. It goes straight down to the ground and it locks, very easy to pick up. Unlock it on the side and come straight up and it'll lock right back up and you're ready to use your Silver Cross Wave 3. Liking this video and subscribing is really, really important. Call us at 877-82-2624 or email us at cs@bambibaby.com. We have 5 convenient locations for you to shop at: Miami, Florida, Paramus, New Jersey, Middletown, New Jersey, Long Island, New York. Comment below with any questions. Stay tuned to watch more videos like this in the future, and thank you for watching.